I want you to take a moment and understand that what I am about to share with you will be of great help to you on your life journey. This message is very important, as you may have been experiencing feelings of loneliness lately. You may have lost touch with friends and family who you thought would always be there for you. Please know that it's not because you don't love them anymore. It's more about feeling overwhelmed by the different emotions that arise when you're around them. You may just want some time alone to process everything. If this resonates with you, I want you to know that you are not alone and that there is nothing wrong with you. You are not missing out on anything at this moment. Trust me, being alone during your spiritual journey is an important aspect to consider. Allow me to share with you a few reasons why. Firstly, it is a time to examine and challenge your beliefs and ways of thinking. You may have unconsciously adopted societal and familial norms, but by taking a step back and being alone, you can become more aware of these influences and start to question them. Remember, you were never meant to simply follow the crowd, but rather be a leader in your own right. Your upbringing may have clouded this realization, but it's still within you, waiting to be rediscovered. When you are alone, you are given the opportunity to start fresh and cultivate a new way of thinking. And this cannot be achieved when you're constantly surrounded by others. Secondly, being alone provides an opportunity to delve within. Becoming aware of what's going on within yourself is one of the most important things you can do in life. When you are isolated, you are forced to find the answers to your problems on your own, and this can be a challenging but transformative experience. During this time, you may confront feelings and emotions that you may have been avoiding. You may also be working to change your thought patterns and cultivate a new mindset. The universe recognizes your desire for growth and has given you this time to focus inwardly. Keep in mind that change is a necessary part of becoming the person you want to be. A new life requires a new environment, new belief systems, and a new way of perceiving the world. But rest assured, everything that's happening is taking place for you, so you can finally get what you truly want. The third reason for your isolation on your spiritual journey is to help you reclaim and embody your spiritual energy. So many of us give away our energy without realizing it, whether it be to toxic individuals or relationships that drain us. This can leave us feeling drained, unworthy, and lacking in life energy. However, during this time of isolation, you will learn how to take your energy back and break free from toxic connections. This could be with friends, romantic partners, or even family members. Growing up, some spiritual individuals may have felt pressure to give away their energy in order to be accepted. But once you learn to keep hold of your energy, you will become incredibly powerful. Empaths, in particular, have the ability to sense others' energies intensely and have the potential to be incredibly powerful. You are gifted with the opportunity to embark on a spiritual journey, and that's a privilege. Not everyone has the chance to awaken to their true spiritual gifts and purpose in life. The trials and tribulations you may face during your journey are worthwhile, for you will gain a deeper understanding of life and love. Your journey will allow you to experience the present moment, to truly feel the love of the universe, to manifest your desires, and to find unconditional love and freedom from pain. Embrace the journey ahead with gratitude and know that you are not alone, as the universe and a higher power are always by your side, guiding and supporting you towards a brighter and more fulfilling future. And finally, being isolated on this journey is a precious gift, allowing you to understand that you are never truly alone. While you may feel physically isolated, you will soon discover a deep and meaningful connection to the divine, to God, and to the universe. This spiritual journey deepens your connection to who you truly are and helps you to understand that you don't need anyone else on earth to feel complete. You will come to realize that all the love, validation, and happiness you've ever desired was inside of you the whole time. You will discover the power of standing alone and the powerful manifester you truly are. This profound knowledge comes to you during the darkest times in your life, and it's important to remember that pain and being alone is a blessing. This is your chance to create the life you want and start fresh. Don't give up on yourself. Everything is working out for you and everything will be okay. Trust the journey and keep going. You've got this.